Hi guys, yes, I'll be doing the Black Dahlia makeup look for Halloween. Happy Halloween to you guys. Okay, did my eyebrow off camera, and I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro in Toffee and I'm going to clean up underneath my brows and take it all the way down to my eyelid. Next, I'm going to take my rainbow colors that I bought from Amazon. I think it's called CB Beauty. And I'm going to use that black shade just for the first transition, kind of like a transition color into the other colors, because I want that one. I want my eyelid to be very bright, black, and vivid. So I'm putting that down first, and then I'm going to blend out the harsh lines. Now I'm going to go into the James Charles palette, and I'm going to take the black shade just to set, because that was a cream concealer kind of like, and I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it right on top just to set it, because it will crease up on me. Then I'm going to go on top just to blend out the harsh lines. Next, I'm going to go into this nice cool tone shade, and I'm going to put it right underneath my brow bone and a little bit onto the black, just kind of like give it a little hint of color, because it's going to be all black on my eyelid and I just want a little hint of color. So now I'm going to go into the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to take this green. Like, let me tell you something, that green is just something else. It gives it so many colors. It's not only green, it have a blue shade to it and stuff like that. So I'm going to put it onto the eyelid first with my fingers, and then I'm going to go ahead and use a brush. So I'm going to take a purple shade and I'm going to put it right on top, like a little bit on the green shade, just to give it a little color and a transition at the outer corner. Not too much. I don't want the purple to show too much, just a little tiny hint. Then I'm going to go into a nice golden champagne color, and I'm going to put it onto my brow bone just to get that pop of shimmer going on. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my Bad Girl Bang mascara and put my lashes on. So now the other eye is all done, and I'm going to go ahead and use my Huda Beauty. I'm doing the same thing with my foundation, concealer, all of that stuff. So nothing new here. It's the same thing that I do when I do my regular makeup. So I'm not going to talk in this part because it's just, you know, seeing me do the whole entire thing all over a million times. And also, guys, if you have not watched the Black Dahlia, it's very gruesome though. Like, the Black Dahlia is like, everybody's supposed to know about it. It was crazy, and I just want to recreate something of that. Yeah, I just come up with my look. It's not like exactly what happened. Well, yeah, it was gruesome, but I just want to create something of that nature and just put it into my Halloween look. So yeah, guys, so now I'm going to bring that black shade down onto the bottom of my eyes and just blend it with the other color, just to make sure that the black is all, you know, look good, like it's proper, it's looking good. Now I'm going to spray my brush with my Mario Badescus, and I'm going to take the same color that I use under my brow bone, and I'm going to put it right into the inner corner just to get that shimmer highlight going on. Now I'm going to do the face part. So I'm doing a shape kind of like your jaw is cut wide open and you can see everything. So I'm kind of like shaping it out. I didn't have the whole entire thing that I needed to do this, so I used what I have. And I'm just going to shape out that part that, you know, if somebody cuts your mouth open, it's like wide open. Now I'm going to take a white kind of crayon looking thing, and I'm gonna go ahead and just carve it in. Now I'm going to use that red, and I'm going to shape out that part that, you know, when your jaw is cut open, the blood is seeping out. But I'm going to go over it later on with like the blood. Like I got that blood from the Halloween store, and I had it last year and I never used it. So yeah, I'm going to use it today. Okay, so pretty much this is the blood, and it's not like real blood, but it's blood. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it into a container, and I'm going to use a brush, and I'm going to, wherever I had put all that red color, I'm going to put it right on top so it could like bleed it down. So it's like, you know, when you get cut, it's just bleed all the way down, and this kind of look like real. So yeah, I'm gonna do it wherever I had put that red. You know, her face is cut up, her jaw is open, her mouth is open, her eyes is bleeding off blood. It's just gruesome. It's really gruesome. Now I'm gonna do the neck. Yes, I'm gonna do that neck, like your neck is cut wide open. Like, listen, if you have not watched that, it's a real true story though. So if you haven't watched that, go ahead and watch it. Like, it's crazy. But you know, this is Halloween. Halloween is about creating all kind of shit. And yeah, I'm just gonna put blood pretty much all over my entire body. Now I'm gonna go in with a red lipstick and just finish it off, and I will be all done. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to tune in every day for more video, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys.